bristle brushes is because they do just such a tight brush. You can't really do this with wet hair because you're gonna get that separation and the wetness of the hair. And you literally get this up as high as possible. Palm tree ones. Yeah, literally my hair is like Cabbage Patch doll hair. You kind of do whatever you want to it and it stays. So I don't have hairspray, I don't have any product in, but if your hair is a little bit more finer, like my daughter has finer hair, I would put like a beach texturizing spray or something in there just so, or just keep it dirty, right? Just so it does what you want it to do. So once you got this up, you grab a ponytail holder, wrap. Sorry, I have to stand like kind of hunched over because I didn't put the camera on right, but I wanted to show you guys this. Hey! Okay, I amuse myself sometimes. Let me just get this. Jesus Louises. Okay, and then you literally just go like this and you twist. And you can buy these. So this one's from Ann Taylor. You guys asked me. Looks like it's sold out. But they have these at Forever 21, really anywhere. I buy these for my girls and for myself, and we just kind of all share them. And that's it. That is it. If you want it a little thicker, you can pull this out a little bit more. If you want it thinner, you keep it down. And then this is how I get rid of my flyaways. So if you have any flyaways, I use this Kristen S Recovery Balm. This stuff is thebomb.com from Target. And it's actually like a conditioner for your hair, and you just go over it. Even when you blow dry your hair straight, if you have like flyaways and things like that, little short pieces that stick up, you just go over it with this and it makes it kind of soft. Sometimes I like to do a little J-Lo situation and I get my baby hairs out and then I'll pull some of these out. And that's it. And if you wanted to do a little little scarf, I like that idea too. You can do it a ponytail or scarf. I like these like long little scarves. Whoops! Anyway, and you literally, if your hair is longer, you might need to use those little bobby pins. Tuck it in there. I'm really trying to rush here so I can meet my daughter at the bus. But I wanted to show you guys this. Okay, and then we wrap the scarf around and around, and it's sort of like the holder. You could do it with a ponytail, you could do it with a scarf, you could do it with a thicker scarf. Bam! Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's it. Hope you got it. Ciao, cacao.